It's hard to imagine how Marvel Studios might mimic the same success over the next two phases. However, Captain Marvel, Spider-Man, Far From Home, and even WandaVision seem to be laying the groundwork for Avengers 5 to tackle the Secret Invasion storyline from the comics. Now a question arises. What is Secret Invasion? In the comics, Secret Invasion was an 8-issue crossover event that rallied together all of Marvel's heroes after the Skrulls, technologically advanced shape-shifting aliens, attempt to claim Earth as their own, following the fall of their empire. The Skrulls essentially believed that Earth was rightfully theirs. Of course, the biggest twist was that the Skrulls had slowly infiltrated Earth for years, shape-shifting into superheroes or high-ranking officials of SHIELD to obtain knowledge to send back to their leader Varanke. Following the long-term invasion, the Skrulls wage a full-blown attack against the Avengers in an attempt to destabilize the superheroes and advance their takeover of Earth. Iron Man, Mr. Fantastic, Professor Xavier, Doctor Strange and more form the Illuminati to secretly stop the Skrulls. Ultimately, it's Norman Osborn who kills Varanke, which allows the Avengers to destroy the remaining Skrull fleets. First introduced in Captain Marvel, the Skrulls have been depicted as refugees who fled their home planet after it was destroyed by the Kree, an alien race ruled by the Supreme Intelligence. Spider-Man, Far From Home solidified their uncanny ability to shape-shift after they were revealed to have been impersonating director Nick Fury and Agent Maria Hill throughout the film. They had Peter Parker and MCU fans fooled, that's for sure. Fast forward to WandaVision. Photos from the set of the Disney Plus series reveal the Sentient World Observation and Response Department SWORD will play a role in the story. Fans have also speculated that Fury was busy overseeing the agency's new headquarters in space, which is why Skrulls had taken over his job in Far From Home. The agency is meant to keep an eye out for extraterrestrial threats. However, it's possible that the organization is simply an extension of the Skrulls' future takeover of Earth. Yes, the Skrulls we've met so far seem harmless and they're not all bad. But the MCU has already shown us how easily they can slip in and out of society undetected. They could be absolutely anybody, so who's to say that the Skrulls haven't already begun their infiltration of Earth? It's possible Phase 4 of the MCU will further embed the Skrulls into high-ranking positions, only to later introduce Varanke and her plans. It's possible that Avengers 5 will focus on the main invasion while the Skrulls secretly work in the background throughout Phase 4. Of course, it's ultimately unclear if Secret Invasion is up next in Marvel's grand plans, but it seems the seeds have already been planted.